excited about with the weather this week. In fact, it is looking rather dull in more than one sense of the word. Lots of cloud around during this week, so you're not going to see an awful lot of sunshine. But on the other hand, you probably won't see an awful lot of rain either. I think most places will be dry. And on the plus point as well, it's going to be fairly mild temperatures in many places above average for the time of year. Now, things will start to get a little more exciting later in the week. We're watching this particular area of cloud, which is a long way off at the moment. It's not really going to reach our shores probably until around about Thursday, and that will be quite an active weather front. That could give a decent dose of rain to many of us. Now, what we have at the moment is a weather front lying across us, but this one is a much weaker affair, so it's not producing much rain, as I said, although an awful lot of cloud around, so most people seeing rather grey, dull skies above them. We do have some more persistent rain that's moving its way across Scotland, though. Having said that, it's just gradually drifting its way northwards across the Highlands now, and it'll make its way up towards the far north of Scotland during this afternoon, so quite wet here. But elsewhere, most places dry. There will be a few pockets of drizzle, maybe some patchy light rain here and there, especially around some western places. The best chance of seeing any decent brightness, any breaks in the cloud, will probably be parts of the east. Maybe East Wales seeing some breaks in the cloud, maybe down towards the south coast as well. We could see something a little bit cheerier. But always with a lot of cloud around, it's sitting low over the hills, so hill fog a problem not just through today, but I think for much of this week, given the fact that we will have so much cloud. Now, temperatures this afternoon, not too bad. I've mentioned that it's mild, 18 or 19 degrees, and we could get as high as 20, possibly even 21. That's 70 Fahrenheit, where we do get a little bit of brightness. Now, through tonight, we've still got some very mild air coming in behind this weather front, but also continuing to produce a lot of cloud. The more persistent rain, though, I think reserved for the north of Scotland. But just look at those temperatures overnight. It shouldn't get lower than around about 13 or 14 degrees, unless, of course, you do see some clearer skies. So into the morning, then, a lot of cloud around first thing. Rain across the northeast of Scotland. I think it'll cheer up here later on, but then we'll have this narrow band of rain making its way down through northern England, North Wales, sinking its way down into East Anglia and the Midlands come the afternoon. But I think to the far south, it'll probably stay dry. Temperatures once again up to 18 or 19. Wednesday at this stage looks like being a much better day for the north with some sunshine, but still some cloud, if dry, to the south.